Hello and welcome to Financial Freedom, where we talk about making money, saving money, and watching money grow. And today we're going to talk about 5 different side hustles. Number 1 is Turo.com. Someone can use your card during the times that you're not using it. So if you want some extra cash in your pocket, then sign up for Turo. And speaking of cars, the next thing is delivering food for Uber Eats. Anytime I want to go out there, I actually just turn on the Uber Eats app because I'm guaranteed to make some quick cash. Also, another one that I absolutely love is called Roadie. Now, Roadie is just like Uber Eats, but you're actually delivering items instead of food. So you'll be delivering for Walmart, Home Depot, Best Buy, AutoZone. And when you turn on the app, and it will send you a notification. It'll tell you which store that you have to go pick something up at. It'll tell you the size of the order. And it'll tell you where you're going to deliver it to. And the good thing about Roadie is they pay very well, especially when you get a gig for delivering medicine for CVS or Rite Aid. Those are really high dollars where you could get paid like $40 an hour just for picking up a prescription and dropping it off. But if you actually wait a little longer, they actually increase the price if no one takes the gig right away. But the thing is, you have to act fast because someone else will come snatch it in a blink of an eye. In both Uber and Roadie, they pay you by direct deposit, and you have an option if you want to get paid the same day. The next app is called Observa. And this one gives you opportunities to go into supermarkets, all type of chain stores, some of the ones I just named, and you actually do surveys within that store. Some of them you introduce yourself to the manager and you go and they'll give you a section to look at. And they'll ask you, okay, take pictures of all of these, say, energy drinks and how many were in this flavor and how many were in this size. You can get paid $5 up to like $25 for each task, or what they call opportunities. And for the $5 ones, I know it sounds really cheap, but what happens is they'll ask you to go through a certain fast food drive-thru and take a picture of the drive-thru menu. Now, if I'm already on my way to that fast food restaurant and I just pull out my phone, I'll take a picture, I'll load it right up on the app, and that was just a quick $5 in my pocket for actually doing nothing but taking a picture. But it's really cool because there's a lot of different surveys. So just download the app. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And I'll actually leave all the links down below. And the last way to make a little money on the side is actually becoming a virtual assistant. If you go to fancyhands.com, they will hire you as someone's virtual assistant, meaning you can answer emails, you can actually manage someone's social media, you can actually make appointments, you can call up and do some research. There's so many different tasks, all the behind the scene things that keeps a business going or keeps a person going day to day is actually what a virtual assistant does. And with Fancy Hands, you can either get hired as a dedicated virtual assistant to one particular person, or you can do what they call tasks. So like I said, guys, I just wanted to jump on here and give you 5 quick ways that you can make an extra $1. 1, you can go to Turo.com and rent your car. 2, you can actually go to my favorite app, and that's called Uber Eats. 3, you can download Roadie and start doing some gigs today. You can go to Observa.com, or you can go to fancyhands.com to be a virtual assistant. Okay, guys, so if you know of other ways that you can actually make some money on the side, leave me a comment down below. And until next time, always remember that knowledge is power. You don't know until you know. Strive to learn one new thing each day.